Good morning, everyone. It is super early right now, but I'm so excited for this vlog. It has been about 6 months in the making. I am off to a cabin trip in Quebec to surprise my best friend for her birthday. She has absolutely no idea I'm coming, but we're just like over the moon to surprise her, so. The cabin is absolutely stunning. We're so excited for this weekend, and since it's Lunar New Year, we decided to get a little bit more festive. The basement was so amazing. They had an arcade game machine with a lot of nostalgic games. There was basketball. There was even a ping pong table and an air hockey table. It was so much fun to just hang out and chill down here. Just go down, take a look. Check it out. Okay, this is the assembly, so. No, that was all you.
There have been a couple times where I've almost let it slip as well.
Oh yeah, me too.
Hang it.
Should we just hang it here? Because then she can see it when she walks in.
That'd be cute.
Yeah.
I don't think she's gonna notice that at all.
Yeah.
That's like literally come here. It's blends into. Oh yeah, I don't notice it at all.
If you can somehow kind of like hide it from the pepperoni.
I don't think she'll notice. Oh, coming! Coming! Come. Sorry.
Hello.
I'm gonna just go grab this. No, just go.
I'll grab it. Yeah, the Billy's got it.
Come on, you go. Dude, it's so nice.
It's nice, right? It's crazy.
We need to not for 2 people. Yo, I know we got such a good deal.
Family of 6.
We got such a good deal. Wait, come, you have to leave the kitchen. Okay.
Crazy.
Oh, have you eaten your? Have some chips.
You're so annoying. You guys also. You did not fly down. How?
Billy was in on it too.
Yeah, I almost let it out. I was like, you want to play Secret Hitler? And she's like, you can't play with 4 people. I'm like, yes, well. Oh, yeah. I can. Of course not.
Oh my god. What the frick, Kimmy? Oh my god.
Costco sells like thick ass bacon.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, the Costco bacon is thick as hell. Like,
Wood bacon.
Oh, apple with smoked.
Yeah, so good.
Like half.